Faking confidence can positively influence your brain chemistry and can change your life. People who walk at quicker pace are generally seen more happier and confident than those who walk slowly. Psychology says understanding yourself first is much more important than understanding others. If you're not enjoying your journey, then you will not be able to enjoy your destination either. Self-confidence is more important than appearance. According to psychology, successful people doesn't have a saving mindset, but a money-making mindset. Happiness doesn't come from what we get, but what we give. If people are doubting how far you will go so far that you can hear them anymore. According to psychology, successful people are good at ignorance. Intelligent people are more likely to avoid conflict, which explains why some people notice everything but choose to say nothing. Dressing up and wearing bright colors increases your self-confidence. People who are spiritual and thankful for what they have are least likely to be depressed, so always count your blessings. Unless you make peace with your past, you can never pave your future. So leave things that troubles you behind and focus on the future. According to psychology, to succeed in a task, enjoy the path also, instead of focusing only in the destination of your goal. According to psychology, for developing a new habit, follow it for 21 days. It will eventually become a routine. Choose a partner only if you would be proud to have a kid exactly like them. Sometimes people like you more if you don't like them too much. The biggest accomplishment in life is happiness. Make yourself happy. The way a person treats the restaurant staff reveals the character of that person. If a person cheats once, no matter how truthful he behaves later, it will not matter for a lifetime. Psychology says pain makes you stronger. Fear causes you to become braver, while heartbreak makes you wiser. Psychology says every time you resist acting on your anger, you're actually rewiring your brain to become calmer and more loving. Mentally talking to yourself during tasks is always a good way to keep yourself focused. People who regularly help others are significantly happier and less likely to become depressed as they get older. Want to avoid overthinking? Focus on what to do next instead of worrying about what went wrong. The key to confidence is walking in the room and assuming everyone likes you. Psychology says cooking is good for mental health. The way we talk to ourselves have an influence on our mood, so always pay attention what you say to yourself.